Well, it's like a time for a follow-up video. Okay, so we're back at the water heater again. And she started leaking again, so maybe the pressure valve does need changing. But I'm going to test it and see how much pressure I got. It could be the regulator going out again. I'm really hoping not, but we'll see. So I'm just going to put the gauge back on it just like I did for setting my pressure. Y'all can see that. Kind of can. All right. All right. I'm going to turn the pressure back on and we'll see what she does. No, it's only 60 pounds. So it looks like the pressure valve has went out. Great. All right, so I moved the camera to a little bit different angle so y'all maybe can see a little bit better about what I'm doing. So I'm trying to close the valves and drain the pressure off. So there's no pressure on the valve anymore. I'm just going to thread that one out, thread the new one in, and hope for the best. Pretty simple process, really. So inside of the valve, get that off there. You can see it just kind of has a little flip up that opens up a little valve in there. Lets the water out. Still don't really know why it went bad, but it obviously did, so time for a new one. So, hey, remember this? I forgot to take it back, so it's frustrating at the time, but you know, I guess it's a good thing I didn't take it back because here I am leaving it. Pre-taped. There's a plus. Oh no. She ain't long enough, I don't think. There it is. We can make that work. Oops, watch out for the camera. I think I'm going to face this one this way. Then we can see if it leaks better, right? Okay. Moment of truth. Well, no leaks. So that finishes this video. I'll probably come over here and get all of this dry with a towel really good and then come back a couple hours later and check it and make sure it's not still leaking. So, okay, so I got the top of the water heater dried up. No leaks. Everything looks good. Got the water turned back on. And Yeah, it looks like there's some sort of buildup in here. Thinking that might maybe be part of the problem. I don't know. Who knows? Anyway, it's changed now. We'll throw it away and hope the new one holds. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.